Snorkeling? Or diving? Scuba diving? Kasama bang pampainit to?
Kape.
Kape?
So, here, there's vendors for the kayaking vendors. They are selling coconut, so don't buy a coconut, okay? Maybe you have something in stomach.
Okay. Do they have restroom here?
Restroom, ma'am. In our third stop. Wala po. Ano lang po, pampalit lang. Pampalit. Pero wala kaming CR.
Saan may restroom sa
Island po.
Ano to?
Ito ay secret.
Secret ba to? Alaman natin ngayon.
Okay, everyone.
Hindi na siya secret.
So,
Ano daw?
So everyone, welcome to our first stop, the Secret Lagoon. Totally the lagoon is behind of that rock. So in the lagoon, just only one hole that could be our entrance and exit. One by one can go in, one by one can go out. Okay?
Okay.
So we were gonna proceed, go first to the
This one?
lagoon. Then after, if there's a time that you can go in a beach also. Okay?
Okay.
So
I'll just take
you have
care.
to swim here and then the same time that you walk. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Pwede iwan ng bag.
Apo.
Pwede iwan yung bag.
So we're gonna stay here like 30 to 35 minutes.
30 to 35 minutes. You wanna go swim, my love?
You and Daddy.
Hindi yan ang gusto niya. Ay, sorry.
Isa yung kanya. Nasaan po?
Sige lang. Ako na lang.